Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Altosid Pro is a Methoprene granular insecticide. This product is an insect growth regulator that works by copying the growth hormones of the insects, preventing them from maturing. Altosid is designed specifically to control mosquito larvae. Altosid is very effective at controlling mosquito larvae, but it does not kill the adult mosquitoes. This means it needs to be used alongside an adulticide for complete mosquito control. Altosid has to be applied to water, so areas that flood often or have a lot of runoff can also reduce the effectiveness of Altosid, as the product will wash away. If these concern you, check out Flex 1010 Liquid Concentrate. Flex can be used indoors and outdoors to kill mosquitoes and many other pests, and it has a long-lasting residual for continued control. Before using Altosid, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. When applying Altosid, it's helpful to mow your yard and trim the grass around standing water or areas where the mosquitoes are harboring and breeding. It's also important to measure the surface area of the water you're applying to, as this will determine how much product is necessary. You can use anywhere from 1/4 teaspoon to 1 cup of product, depending on the body of water you're applying to. Read the label for proper mix rates for your body of water and do not over-apply. Measure out the appropriate amount of Altosid and sprinkle it over the desired area. Apply Altosid to any standing water, ponds, and any areas where mosquitoes may be breeding. Altosid needs to be applied to water in order to be effective, and it's safe to use in almost every type of water, but it's still important to read the label before application. Altosid has a residual of up to 30 days. We recommend applying monthly for continual control. Altosid is not an instant kill. It can take a few days to kill the insects after coming into contact with the chemical. The larval mosquitoes will be exposed to the chemical in the water while feeding and will be unable to develop past their current stage, resulting in death. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.